Good afternoon. It's February 28th, 2025. And, the past few days we've been selling off. So today started off just sideways, but then we formed this channel up. And I want you to notice, I'm going to say it's not convincing. And, we have these strong reversal bars, excuse me. But it is contained within this channel. These bull bars are not big or consecutive. You have one, and then you have a bear doji, one, and then two bear dojis, and then you have one and two, but they're within the channel. And then so this was a potential wedge level of resistance or support yesterday. I was looking at this. I thought we might bounce here, and you can see there was some profit taking there. But then the Bears just, boom, created another leg down. And so I just kept that there, and you can see there was some resistance there today. We made one more push up, and that's a strong bull bar, but poor follow through. And so, boom, you get this sell off, big bear bar, um, bad follow through for the Bears as well. But I mean, you have a break of this channel, so you're looking for an attempt at a new high. We form this high, it's a lower high, and then we go down, and then you get another bull bar, and boom, you get this bear bar, matching high, and uh, the floor falls out, and we make a new low, and then we get this insane rally. And what happened here, it all it is this weekly chart. Look at how prices rallied back within that channel. Crazy. And today's also the last day of the month. So, we were below the trend line and we ended up in the trend line or within the channel, I should say. So, we'll take a look at the price action for the 2700 tick chart. So in the overnight, again, we had this channel down, big overshoot, double bottom, higher low. And 5 o'clock comes in like around here. So you make this double top. And I would definitely be looking to get short. So let's see. I probably would have taken this. Um, that's a failed second entry long. After a nice sell off right here, I like that. It doesn't get you much. And then we come up here, make a double top, first entry, failed second entry. So you know, I say you take either of these. So you take this one. Actually, that's the one you would have to get in on. So take that bar right there. Boom. Sell off. Very strong. Then we form this spike and channel. And, at this point, I'm not convinced enough to go long. But this looks like a range. Um, yeah, it's not a very convincing channel. But you do have a second entry long right there. Nice strong bull bar. Um, and you got to take profits at a new high. That's what people did right here, and that would have gotten you a pretty nice move. 85.50. So that's a 10-point move. Boom, second entry, but the signal bar is no good, and then you get slight overshoot, go sideways, slight overshoot again, and then it sells off. And I like that. I like these double overshoot entries. Now you have a lower high, big bear bar. Boom. I don't think you can take this one. You're going into potential support, but that ends up being a nice move. We pull back. I have no clue what I. Oh, okay. I drew this. Um, these ranges based on this move up. I was thinking if we broke lower, which we did over here, we would at least hit a measured move. So, can you take this breakout pullback? I'm not. I think I actually sold here, and now I'm like, oh yeah, because I took it at 50%. a 50% correction. Um, oh no, it didn't trigger my order here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, I think this is a decent. I think this is it's aggressive, but it's a 50%. It looks like a 50% correction of this bear move. So we get a new low. Looks like the bulls are strong here, and then you get this bi-climax bar. That's the biggest bar in this move up, and then you get some lower highs, and you get a failed second entry long right there. I think with how strong these two bars are, and then how strong this bear bar is, I think it's worth considering. But look, I mean, what is it? Market inertia. Albrook says the market tends to keep doing what it's doing. So maybe you consider a limit order here because you have a bear move and then a bull bar, bear move and then a bull bar, bear move, and look what happens, a bull bar. Something to think about. Come back, test this high, sell off again, and now I, I think you gotta. I mean, it's about the context, and I wouldn't be able to see this on this chart, but I'm also looking at all these other charts, and I was trying to get short up here. And so if you see this move up fail, and then you see this move up fail, go back to this chart and look for a place to get short. And maybe you take this bear doji, maybe you take this failure. But that was a very good move down, and I was short. I think I got short in here, and I forgot because I was up a bunch of money this week. I set like a stop loss for $50, and so when it went against me, I put my stop way up here. When it went against me, I got stopped out, unfortunately, because if I had held through all this, which who knows if I would have. If I had held through all this, that would have been a huge, huge move. So anyway, we get this channel down. I would be aggressive in here. This off the EMA, I would consider that. This off the EMA, I would consider that. I would consider this sell climax, but you're going sideways here, and that's the biggest bear bar in this whole move down, except for this bar. So you have to be careful. And then we get this strong bull channel. Make a double top, sell off, and then it just went crazy after that. So I didn't even look at this on the smaller time frame, but like this is insane. And so you only have one bear bar in a row, so you got to buy this. You have to buy this. We finally get a correction. Boom, buy climax, sells off, and boom, off to the races. And maybe you take this higher low here. Um, that's a crazy move, and that's hard to trade on this chart. Doesn't look that good on this chart. Maybe a different one though. So that's the day. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'll be back Monday.